Hey, what's up people? Plastic microfibers. Tiny little microfibers ending up in the fish you eat, the water you drink, and ultimately in your body. Now that doesn't sound right, does it? Every time you wash your synthetic garments in a washing machine, tiny little plastic microfibers end up in our waterways, in streams, in rivers, and ultimately in the ocean. These microfibers are being consumed by aquatic organisms, and they potentially work their way up the food chain, from plankton to fish, all the way back to you. Washing machines and wastewater treatment plants can't filter out these microfibers, so it's up to you to step up and do your bit. And there's a number of things you can do. You can wash your clothing less often. Also, wash colder, lower the temperature at which you're washing. Run shorter programs and slow down on the spinning cycle. The other thing is not to wash hard abrasive fabrics together with soft fluffy ones. And finally, you can use the Guppyfriend. The Guppyfriend is a wash bag that doesn't shed any microfibers itself, yet it captures all the microfibers of the synthetic garments that you're washing. An added bonus is that the Guppyfriend will also protect your garments, giving them a longer life. So first you fill up the Guppy bag with your synthetic garments and don't fill the bag more than half. Then stick it in the washing machine. Next, run your preferred cycle. When the program is finished, take out the bag and remove the garments so you can dry them. And finally, you have to remove the microfibers from the corners of the Guppyfriend wash bag. It might actually take a number of washes before there's enough accumulated there. Remove them and then dispose of them responsibly by putting them in your rubbish bin. And there you have it. You might have just saved a whale or maybe even mankind.